Hello, in this video we are talking about Logically. Logically is a software for designing circuits quickly and easily using modern interface and dragging and dropping and pasting. We will use this software for the next problem set. So please go to logic.ly and download a free trial of this software. In this video we are designing this example circuit that you've seen in the previous slides. But before go through it, we are using switches as inputs in Logically, and we are using light bulbs as output. The wires that turns to blue indicate the value as 1, and the lines that are in white indicate their value is 0. So if I open up the Logically, you can see its interface. You have a board here for design. On the left side you can see the input components. You can drag and drop a toggle switch, or you can put a push button, clock, and for this case we are using both just switches. And for the output you can put a 4-bit digit or a light bulb. In this case I put a light bulb. And here the third part shows the logical gates that we are using: NOT gate, buffer, AND, NAND, and other gates, XOR gates. You can you have more complicated black boxes like flip-flops and others that we are not gonna go through it in this course. So let's design our circuit by adding 2 NOT gate and produce and I am inserting and gate here. We can specify the number of inputs here, but in this case we only need 2, so we leave it as it is. I put another AND gate and an OR gate. So after you put all the components that you wanted on a board, it's time to connect these components together. If I click on this circle that indicate the output of the switch and hold my mouse key, I can connect this to any of these blue dots. You can see these blue dots are input of the other gates. I cannot connect this to the output of a gate, so I put it on the input of the first gate, again for the other input. And in order to make the wires more in a better shape, put it in a better shape, you can put it in the direct lines here like this, and again by connecting the NOT gates to the AND gate. You can hear that I'm not completing the circuit, but all these lines are blue. Why this is happening? Because by default all of these inputs are 0, and therefore after the NOT gate is gonna be 1, and these lines is gonna turn to blue. Here you can see that this lines turned red because there is no input connected to this, and the status of this wire is invalid, therefore it's gonna turn to red. But once I connect the output to it, its value is gonna change, and therefore I am finishing the design of the circuit. So I connect it to the output, and by default this makes our output to be 1 and our light bulb is gonna be turned on. But with changing the switch, you can see that it changes in the wires and changing the output. So with this switch you can turn on and turn off this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.